How to create and sell template on Notion. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace and organizational tool that combines note-taking, task management, project management, and knowledge management. So starting off, head over to the notion.com website. On the top here, you can see all of these sections on the Notion website. First off, let's check out their pricing plans. On the pricing section, you can see all the plans that they offer, starting with free, plus, business, and enterprise. You can also check out their monthly and yearly plans according to your preference. Now scroll up and click on Login on the top right corner. This will take you to the Notion dashboard. On the left panel, you can see all of these options. On the private section, click on this plus icon. After that, a new Notion page will be created. Starting off, give it a title. In this case, I will type in Weekly Planner. And right below it, let's type in a text, for example, Business. After that, we'll press Enter and type in another text such as Health. Let's select the first text and then click on this icon right beside it. You will get to see all of these options to choose from. On the Turn Into section, you can choose whatever you want, such as a heading. After that, the text will be turned into the specific heading that you just chose. After that, you can add more text and also set it as whatever you want to turn it into, such as heading 2. Then, you can click on the icon and drag it around to move it wherever you want to place it. This way, you can change the position of each text. So right below Business, let's press Enter and type in an additional text, such as Business Accounting. Once we're done typing, let's click on the menu option again and go over to Turn Into. For this section, we will be choosing Page, so look for the Page option and click on it. And as you can see, we have a new page that's named as Business Accounting, which is inside the Weekly Planner. Now, let's move on to Health. Here, we will add a subsection named as Health and Fitness. You can put in whatever sections that you want. Then, let's click on the menu again and go over to Turn Into and here, and we will select Page as well. After that, we will get a Health and Fitness page under Health. So over here on the Health and Fitness page, let's start to customize it. Press Enter, and here on the right section, you can click on the plus icon on the left. Here, go through the options and select whatever you want to put in, and you will get to see a lot of options to choose from. For this one, I will type in table and add a table over here. You can drag the corners to adjust its size. Now let's go back and head to the personal text. Over here, let's type in something like weekly bills. This is just as an example. What you write depends on your needs. After that, let's type in another section as mortgages. Same way, you can turn these into different elements or sections. So now, let's go over to the top and click on Add Icon. Over here, you can go through the options or use the search bar to search for a specific icon that you want to assign here. As you can see, we've added an office icon over here. Then on the Add Cover section, if you click on it, you'll be able to add a cover right over here. If you click on Change Cover on the top, you will get to see all of these options to choose from. You can also upload your own or go over to Unsplash. Here, you can use the search bar to search for a specific image, or you can choose from the options available already. I will search for Office and choose this image as my cover. You can choose whichever one that you like. So once you're done adding your cover, you can click on Reposition, then drag the image around to position it according to your preference. So once you're done creating the template, let's head over to gumroad.com. As you can see, we're already logged in, so click on Dashboard on the top right corner. So once you're here on the Gumroad dashboard, on the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. Let's select Products from the options. Once you're in the Products page, click on New Product on the top right. After that, you'll be taken to this page right here. You need to start off by putting in a name for your product. I will type in something like Notion template. You can put a decent name for your template. Once done, you need to select a product type from here. I will go with digital product. Then, on the price section, type in the price that you want. You can also change the currency from these options. Just click on it and choose from the currencies. Once done, scroll up and click on Next. Give it some time to load up and you will then be taken to this page. As you can see, the name is already here. You need to start off by putting in a description. So put in a detailed description about your product. Here, you can use the edit options on the top to edit your description if you want. Then, you have the URL section. Let's head over to the Notion page and click on Share on the top right corner. After that, click on General Access and choose anyone on the web with link. After that, click on Copy Link and head back to the Gumroad page. Here, paste the URL on the Custom Domain section. That way, your customers can directly use the template. Now, let's scroll down to the cover section. Here, click on Upload and choose from where you want to add the file. I will select it from my PC and it will be uploaded onto Gumroad. Just give it some time to load up. As you can see, the cover has been added. After that, scroll down further and on the thumbnail section, you can click on Upload and choose the thumbnail from your device. After that, click Open and your new thumbnail will be added. So once you're done with the thumbnail, scroll down further. Here, you have the product info section. Choose a call to action from these options. This could be important for your sales. Then, on the summary section, you can add a brief description on what they will get. I will type in something random like get media access to the following. You can type in whatever that you offer. Then, if you scroll down, you have the additional details section. You can click on Add Detail and you'll be able to add specific attributes and value. You can use this feature if relevant, or you can just skip this. And just by clicking on Add Detail, you can add multiple details just following this step. Just put in the relevant information in these boxes. Next up, we have the integration section. Here, you will get to see these options to choose from. You can click on the toggle to enable or disable these. Go through them and enable whichever ones that are relevant. Or if you want, you can just keep them disabled. You can also connect your Discord over here. Then, we have pricing, which is already set from the previous page. Right below it, you have these additional toggles that you can enable if you want. Then, we have the version section. You can click on Add Version if you have different variations for your product. Now, let's scroll up to the top and click on Save and Continue. You will then be taken to the next page. Here, if you click on Publish and Continue, you will get to see the Share option. You can share directly on these platforms or copy your URL. Further down, we have Profile. You can create a profile to display your product. Then we have Gumroad Discover. This is where you can choose a category for your product. This way, Gumroad will know when and where to promote your product. Based on this, they will display your product to potential customers. And on the tag section, you can type in and add multiple tags for your product. This way, it will be easier for your customers to search and find your product. Lastly, you can turn on or turn off these toggles according to your preference. Once done, scroll up to the top and on the preview section, you can click on this preview icon to preview your template. After that, just click on Publish and Continue, and you're ready to start selling. And that is exactly how to create and sell template on Notion.